Hey, how are ya? Thanks for dropping by. Now, if you've got a Rover Classic, similar to the one I've got, just had some issues with the belt coming undone. So I'm just going to deep dive into it, have a look and see what the problem is and see if we can fix it. Hopefully, we can get it done today. It's raining here in Brisbane, so might as well do some maintenance work while we're in the Scott Bonner room. So this is my Rover Classic. I've had an issue with it where just lately, where the blade will stay on, it won't go off, won't get turned off. So one of the belt might have come off and got unwound. So I'm going to take the cover off. We'll have a look, see what the go is. So let's have a look at this eye. Just in there. So this belt, let's be under there. So must be this thing here. Let's see, it's worn. Just wearing through. I'm gonna have to adjust this in a bit so it doesn't get caught on this thing so much. And I'm just adjusting these screws here. See it taken up. Here we go. Get a bit on it. These rubber belts ain't the same as that belt. Big chain in there. Anyway, so when it engages, you lift this up. Let me see it pull in here. This is the propel. Now for the cutter, let's engage in the cutter there. Hopefully that'll stay there now. We'll adjust it out. Just enough, a little bit of clearance. Oh, let's see how she goes. Beautiful. They got a great little way to adjust these motors. All you do, put on your numbering system number 1. So that's on 1. You just lean it back a little bit. Push it in. Take it to number 2. And that's your next setting. So I haven't measured the mils, how many mils yet. I'm sure someone knows how many mils it goes. But yeah, take it in. Number 3. Number 3 during winter. For me, for my lawn anyway. Then I take it back to 2. Over spring and summer. I've gone through all the startup procedures in another video, but here it is again. You just take the choke on button, just take the revs up, give it a couple of pulls. Once she starts, turn her off, look the choke off, good to go.